Hey guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today, we are going to talk about how to create both social media posts in 5 minutes with ChatGPT and Canva. It is a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So let's dive right in. Let's start with ChatGPT in here. ChatGPT is a computer program powered by artificial intelligence that can have text based conversation with people. So it is designed to understand and respond to human language, making it seem like you're chatting with a real person, even though it's just a computer program. So ChatGPT can answer questions, provide information, generate text, and hold conversations on a wide range of topics. So it has a variety of potential uses, from assisting with research to providing customer support. Essentially, this is a virtual chatbot that uses advanced AI technology to engage in text based conversation and provide helpful responses. So we actually have two versions in here. The GPT-4, which is a paid feature, you need to upgrade to ChatGPT Plus for that so that you could use that. But it is actually better than what we're gonna use, but we're just gonna stick to the ChatGPT 3.5 in here since this one is a free one. So we're just gonna use this one out. Now what we'll need to do in here to get started is just to head onto the send a message button in here so that we could type in the prompt. So these are actually some examples of prompt that we could do onto ChatGPT, but here onto the bottom part, we're gonna go ahead and type in generate 50 things in here that people don't know regarding fashion. So we're gonna use some post that is related to fashion. So let's try to type that one out and let's click on to generate and let's try to see what it will give us. So we'll just have to wait in here for what it will give us. So as you can see, it is actually generating the 50 topics, and then we're just gonna wait for this one to be done. So once it is already done, what you'll need to do in here is you'll just need to review the different things or facts that ChatGPT generated out for you. But you could also try to remove what you don't want to see in there or try to regenerate again. And then right after, you'll just need to copy all of them. So let's try to copy that one out and then we'll head to the other platform in here. So for the other platform, this is where we'll store the data that we've gathered from ChatGPT. So we'll use Google Sheet for that, but you could use other spreadsheet options that you have onto your device. But just a quick overview onto Google Sheet. This is an online spreadsheet application provided by Google, and it is a versatile tool that allows you to create, edit, and store spreadsheets, which are essentially electronic documents used for organizing and analyzing data. So with Google Sheets, you can perform tasks like managing budgets, creating charts and graphs, and tracking expenses, and collaborating with others in real time. So it is similar to Microsoft Excel, but it is accessible directly through a web browser, so you don't need to install any software onto your computer. Plus, it offers the convenience of cloud storage, which means your spreadsheets are securely safe online, making them accessible from any device. So you'll just need to paste them out like that, and let's try to resize it so that it would have a clearer view. And then right after, I'll need you to download it onto a specific format. So you could review first the details before downloading, and once you are satisfied already, you'll just need to rename it first so that it would be easy to find this certain file of spreadsheet. And then once it is already renamed, you'll just need to go ahead and search for the file option onto the upper part, and then right after, go over to the download section, and you should be able to see a CSV file format in there that you could download. So there are different file formats that it offers, so it would be better to use the CSV file so that it would be easier to transport the data to our next platform. Now right after, you'll just need to wait for the CSV file to be saved onto your device, and then right after, you'll just need to go to the next platform that we're going to use, which is Canva. So if you're not familiar with this platform, this is an online graphic design platform that simplifies the process of creating visuals content. So it provides an easy to use interface with a wide range of templates, graphics, and tools that enable users to design everything from social media graphics and presentations to posters and also flyers. With Canva, you don't need any advanced design skills or software expertise. It is an accessible and user-friendly solution for individuals and businesses looking to create professional-looking graphics and visual materials quickly and efficiently. So Canva's drag and drop features makes it an excellent choice for anyone who wants to design visually appealing content without the complexity of traditional graphic design software. So as you can see, here are the different things that you could do. You could do some WhatsApp statuses, Facebook covers, and many more in here. So these are the different templates that it offers. So I'll just need you to head onto the Instagram posts and your templates, since that is what we're gonna do for today. So as you can see, these are the different templates. We're just gonna click on to see all in here, and then it would redirect you to the Instagram post template. So you could also click onto the create a design in here so that you could start from scratch, but we're also gonna be using the create blank in here so that we could start from a blank canvas or a white canvas. Now, once you're already onto the editing page, you could see the white canvas already in here. And onto the left side, you should be able to see the different templates that it offers. So for this Instagram post template, we'll need something that is related to fashion, since fashion is our topic. So we'll utilize the search bar in here. And let's try to search in fashion. And let's try to find in something that we could use for our post. So as you have noticed in here, there might be some designs or templates that has a crown button. So that means you need to upgrade to Canva Pro in there to use that certain template. But there is some that doesn't have that button, so we could try to browse for the free one in here so that we could use those templates for our Instagram post. So we're just gonna browse through all of this in here until we find something that we've liked. So I kind of like this one in here. So what we'll need to do is just simply click onto that design so that it would be added onto our canvas. So we could try to update or edit how it would look like so that we could go ahead and customize it as per liking. So here onto the upper part, we could try to remove this room in here since I don't think that we will need this onto our post. So let's just go ahead and completely delete that. And we could also adjust these pictures in here so we could put it here onto the upper part. And for the text one, we could go ahead and make it bigger, or we could also try to change in the font size for that so that the text or the facts that we're gonna add that we've gathered from ChatGPT would be really clear. So we're just gonna go ahead and upsize that, and you could also add in some effects if you would like to do so. So we're just gonna move it so that it would be clear like that. And then the next thing that we'll need to do is you could try to add in some elements or any designs that you want to see onto your Instagram post. So there might be different things that you can add in here, such as photos or anything that is related to fashion so that it would complement your design. And then right after, you'll just need to head onto the app section onto Canva. And then right after, you could just go ahead and utilize the search bar or drag this button here lower so that you should be able to see the bulk creation. So let's talk about this. This is a valuable feature that simplifies the process of generating multiple similar design variations at once. This will save you time and effort. But since this is a paid feature, we won't be able to use this one. But if you want to generate a lot or multiple Instagram posts, this is what we're gonna use. So I'm just gonna give you an overview on how this one would work. So it is especially useful for tasks like creating a batch of social media posts or Instagram posts, marketing materials, or any content with consistent design elements but different text or data. So to use this, you'll just go ahead and activate this feature. So you'll just find a space to upload your data in there. So this should be a CSV file or a text file, or you could manually input the data. So we've gone ahead and already downloaded a CSV file onto the spreadsheet, onto the data that we've gathered onto ChatGPT. So once you have that, you'll just need to map the data fields to the corresponding design elements. So for example, if you'd like to connect the title field in your data to the text element in your template, where the title should appear. So you'll just go ahead and review before proceeding. So you'll just need to review the mapping to ensure it's accurate. And once you're satisfied, click the generate or create button. So Canva will generate multiple design variation based on your data and preview them to make sure everything looks as expected. You can also make individual adjustments if needed. And once you're happy, onto the upper part there is a share button. You could download each design separately or share them directly from Canva. And there you have it. You've learned how to use the bulk creation feature in Canva so that you could create multiple Instagram posts. And if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and if you have any question, don't hesitate to comment it down below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you onto our next video.